Okay, let's take a look at another Zippo. Now this is a pretty nice one. Now this one came in the protective sleeve. They're starting to send more like that, and that's a good idea. And it says Grunge, Howling Wolf on the sleeve. That's the normal Zippo black box. It also says Grunge Howling Wolf above the barcode. Of course, it's made in Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Nothing special about the insert, but that is the Howling Wolf. It's on a street chrome body. Good sound, steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Howling Wolf. Okay, so the Howling Wolf Grunge Zippo does a nice job on the drop test. And this one was made in, it looks like G of 17. So I think it's July. Pretty good stampings on this. It's the Grunge Howling Wolf. It looks like he's hungry. Let's give this thing some cowbell. Knuckle bomb.